YouTube. What's poppin', family? That's exactly why I just want to get. You hear that? Oh. That's exactly why I just went and got that fan, because of that right there. That fan done. What's poppin', man? We back. I just came from getting that fan for that stupid fan replacement right there. Cause that boy, man, I paid what I paid for that. I mean, I paid $10 for it. But I mean, man, look. I guess when it get too cold, damn, bro, get over in your lane. What the hell? Ass over. I guess when it get cold, the fan and light stop operating for real, See it, once it start going for a minute, it don't make that noise. But it's just so annoying. So, and then again, I think I got, how many fans on that amp? But they small, that's why. See, I just went and got a blower. It's actually right here in the seat. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that on. But the thing is, this boy is loud. So I mean, it's gonna cool it down real good. So I'm gonna be able to play my bass like longer, so it's cool with me. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm like, when I'm just sitting in my car chilling, and it's like, say I don't want to play no bass, I don't want the amp on, I'm gonna create a switch. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but it probably be free floating, if that's a thing, but like not like mounted into something, but like able to be like moved around. I'm just trying to see how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna have a fan. I already had a fan back there. I'm gonna tap into one side of each so I can get the cord to the front. Just thinking, man, them the fans that I got on the left side, I probably can take them out. Just braking, he ain't even using no signal. That'd be crazy. You would think the truck driver know all the rules. Let me know how y'all doing in the comments, man. Let me see. I gotta leave. Woke up the niggas acting funny. I should've known they was committed. As soon as I run at me 100, I'm putting 50 up for bread. I'm trying to turn I got a real question, and I really need a response. I have these lights in my car, right? They look nice. What do you say I upgrade them to? I don't know if you guys know anything about like the free flowing, like float. What I say? My dumb butt. I said free flowing. I'm still stuck on free floating from earlier. But what do you say I upgraded to the Flow Series LEDs acrylic? Now, those look so nice. Y'all let me know, please. You think, oh shoot. You think it'd be a good idea to upgrade it? I mean, let me give you my review on these. I like them. Don't get me wrong, they look good. It's just little minor things. Golly, I should have high-beamed the mess out of them. Walmart love me. I love Walmart. Y'all know what we doing. I'm gonna go this way just so I can do another pull. I need some grippier tires. Alright. We made it to Walmart. I'm gonna stop tripping. I'm gonna park up though. Y'all know we've been here before. But with that being said, I love y'all, man. This was a quick POV, it's like little drive. I'm gonna run in here, get some stuff. So with that being said, man, we gone. Love y'all.